Login loop error on Payoneer Fix. If you're trying to log into Payoneer and keep getting stuck in a loop where you enter your credentials, but it just keeps sending you back, you're probably wondering what's going on. Most people assume Payoneer servers are down, but here's the surprising truth. It's usually a local issue with cookies, cache, or browser settings. The fix is easier than you think. First, close the Payoneer tab or app completely. If you're on mobile, force stop the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, select Payoneer, and tap Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe the app away from your recent screens. Next, clear your cache. For Android users, this can be done under the storage section of the app settings. For iPhone users, uninstalling and reinstalling the app clears old session data automatically. If you're logging in through a browser, clearing your cookies and cache is a must. Old session tokens stored in your browser can cause Payoneer to endlessly redirect you back to the login page. Go to your browser's settings, open Privacy, and clear browsing data, especially cookies. Now, check for updates. Make sure your Payoneer app or browser is running the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes can't handle Payoneer's most recent security protocols. If that still doesn't fix it, try switching your network connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or use another connection. Some networks block secure redirects needed for the login to complete. Disable password managers for one login attempt. These tools can insert extra spaces or outdated credentials without you noticing. Manually typing your username and password ensures accuracy. Finally, restart your phone or computer and try logging in again. Most users report success right after this step. So, the next time your Payoneer login keeps looping, don't panic. It's not your account, it's just cached data and security conflicts. Clear it, refresh your session, and you'll be back to managing your business payments with no issues.